I love my job. I think you just get every day a sense of satisfaction when you go home, because little things that they say throughout the day, or they might say, oh miss, I really enjoyed that. So you know that what you're saying is having a positive impact on them. So that makes me feel really proud then that I've been a part of that. We like to do as much forest schools with the children as possible. We had a story that a bird's nest had fallen out of a tree, so we wanted them to build a new nest for the birds and their chicks, so they'd have somewhere warm to sleep. I had one that was already made, so to speak, to show them.
Nothing was ever too much trouble for Victoria. Constantly planning new activities, developing new resources with the children, and to see her working, especially in the outdoor environment of the school, was an absolute delight on some occasions. Because she makes learning so much fun, they interact with her completely.
In every way, I'm so glad I did the course because of all the different things I've learnt. I understand the reason for things more now regarding behavioural issues or lots of different things. The need for a child to play, why they need to play, and the benefits of forest school. I did a forest school course while I was there as well. So it's just enhanced all areas really. The support is so fantastic. If you can just get yourself there on the first day, you will not look back. Just get yourself there. They will look after you, they'll support you, they'll help you. If you want to do well, you will definitely do well.